Saying number 344. Amir al-Mu'mineen, peace be upon him, said, in the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. O groups of people, fear Allah, for there is many a man who aspires for what he does not get, many a builder of a house who does not live in it, and many a collector of that which he shall just leave behind. Possibly he may have collected it wrongfully or by denying a right. He acquired it unlawfully, and had to bear the weight of sins on account of it. Consequently, he returned from this world with that weight and came before Allah with sorrow and grief. Loses he both this world and, also, the hereafter, that is a loss, which is manifest.